Hello everyone and welcome to TOYSREVIL. Today I am unboxing Pucky the Feast from Pop Mart. I haven't managed to blog about this series, but when I saw it I knew I wanted to have it. It's about food related stuff. Very adorable, I feel. I mean, I've always loved Pucky stuff, but being able to afford the whole series is always another trick lah. But nevertheless, I snagged this specifically for my birthday, and held it back to have an unboxing on my birthday. I mean, symbolic lah, come what may. So I did a unboxing earlier on the day, a time-lapse unboxing, which yielded this figure, the rice dumpling, ba zhang Pucky. Adorable as usual, the baby face, and this is the figure, rice dumpling. I mean, call it ba zhang, zhongzi if you want to call it in Chinese. Ba zhang is, I think, Hokkien name. Unfortunately, I do miss ba zhang or rice dumpling because of my health issues. I'm avoiding red meat, and most of them are pork, so a bit of waste lah. But anyway, this is my version of or rather my experience with ba zhang this year. It's adorable. If you know your rice dumplings, it's basically the rice cube that's wrapped in leaves, banana leaves, and tied. So this is very interesting, a figure that's a part of the food series. There it is. I put this aside, and now to check out and unbox Pucky the Feast. Of course I wanted more. Come on, of course I wanted more, but you know, it's just restrained trying to buy the entire set because I can't afford it. Anyway, let's have a look at what's inside. Very sturdy catchment, which I haven't figured out. I mean, I've not been buying a lot of Pop Mart figures recently, so I haven't figured out how sturdy it is. Sorry, pause. There'll be constant pauses due to the bad connection that I have here where I am the Wi-Fi, so it's a bit tricky. That's why I'm not doing a lot of reviews this year, or so far, not this year, so far. So I've actually quite a few stuff I wanted to review, but anyway, the bag, let me take out the bag. There is a card inside, like this one, that literally shows you what the figure is. So I mean, I'm not gonna keep that surprise for myself later, and I'll just check out the bag. So the blind boxes come sealed individually, and nice lah. They have more graphics printed on the bag and text. Previously was a generic white with silver patterns, and now it's gone on to idents. You want to call it idents, which is pretty cute. I mean, it's like I have a bad habit of keeping all these plastics, but I realize I don't need them. I don't need them per se. Even if I want to sell any extra pieces, right? I mean, does the bag affect the sale? I don't know. I really don't know. It's a pretty huge figure. Don't know what it is. I'll do it. I wanted to choose what I can get. It feels like one of these big steamboat hot pot figures because it's pretty huge. But then again, I really don't know. Okay, let's take a little peek. Can you see? Oh, I got a little bun hair. No, it's not this dude really. Wow, I really can't figure out this one. No. Yeah, probably this with the towel. I think so, with the towel. Peach bun. Longevity bun. Let's see. You get what I mean? There's a like real cutesy thing, but I can't really see there. So yes, it is a peach bun. Peach bun. Oh, pretty heavy though. This is pretty heavy. Wow, can hear the rock and roll. So chubby, drooping cheeks. Peach, cute, that is not fully down. Pop Mart here. I mean, a lot of I would say even though it's a steel piece, a lot of life is given. Like, you know, it's like one of the legs is the legs are kicking. You can imagine it kicking. Chubby bum, chubby peach, chubby cheeks, pink. Let's have a look at the card. Yeah, this is the card. Longevity peach. Yeah, 寿桃, as they call it in Chinese, 寿桃. Predominantly, if I'm not wrong, for like birthday celebrations of older folks. So you give them longevity peach to wish them having a long life. So 寿桃, which is cute. I mean, honestly, I would love to have any of these potted stuff. Like, of course, if I want, I would have just bought the entire box set and open to my heart's content. That's a dream. That's just a dream that hopefully, whenever the opportunity comes, I'm able to realize my dreams. And I appreciate Pop Mart. I guess at least in the Singapore context, there are certain figures that will be restocked at a later date, not immediate. I remember the first series of Hirono. It's like I missed that train, and I waited. I don't know how long I waited until Lang, the original creator, came to Singapore for Pop Toy Show, and they restocked the series one. So I managed to grab some. So that's cool. And I think not too long ago when Pucky the Feast came out, I also missed the initial drop, and the store I go to in Tampines also was sold out. So I was like content to like, okay lah, not be able to get these figures at all because they were sold out. But lo and behold, when I went not too long ago, maybe a week and a half ago, it was available. So I had to grab. Now of course, grab two is what I can afford. And yeah, so share the two cuties, the rice dumpling, and the longevity bun. Longevity bun or longevity peach? Longevity peach bun. It is basically a bun pastry. So this is cute. Should be like this. Cute lah. I just got dessert. I mean, I would really love to have a longevity peach for today. What does it contain? It contains a lotus paste. Is it Nianyong? Can't remember. And I really do want that though. Anyway, these are the two cuties. Let's have a look at them together, side by side. So it's very apt. I feel the longevity peach is apt for my birthday today. So yeah, I'll just be happy with this. And with this, I will end this particular unboxing. I'll take a short little pause, maybe 5-10 minutes before I open my Hirono. I can't wait to open my Hirono. I bought one for my brother, and his birthday is just a few days before mine, and he pulled something which I really wanted. So I really don't know. They were from the same box, so I don't know if I'll get that figure or I might get something else. But anyway, I'll jump to this when I give my phone. I'm recording on my phone anyway. I give my phone a little chill down time, and I'll come back to you guys 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.